Howdy, y'all. I just got me a new toy. It's a Warbonnet Traveler. Uh, double stick, double-sided, double hammock. And I'm going to try it out and see how it works. I'm excited. My regular first hammock was a Amazon cheapy hammock, which got me hooked. Next, I went with the Hammock 5.0, which I love, and I use it with the Tensa stand. That way I don't have to worry about trees. And now I've got the Warbonnet, which is an in-between. I can use it around the house and camping, hopefully. Let's give it a try. Okay, here we go. You can order it with all kinds of hooks. I ordered it without none, and it comes with a ridge line, which is good. That makes life much easier. I think this is AM steel. I'm not positive. You experts would know better than me. I've got an Amazon basic hammock, or hammock stand. I'm going to try to attach it to, and hopefully that works. If not, we'll have to go to the trees, but we'll find out. The hooks are set to the dimensions of my 9-foot. Ooh, look at that. I have to undo the. The ridge line, but this is set to the dimensions to my Amazon hammock, which is about a foot shorter. But the attachments are about a foot longer, I'm guessing. So let's to have my hammock touching the ground, but we can do it temporarily. I know the fancier Warbonnets have the double-sided, and I was hoping this did, but that's okay. We can live with this. One nice thing about this stand is, as you can see, it's highly adjustable. I guess they're all highly adjustable, maybe. Okay. And I may have to use something to extend my. Let go. Extend my reach instead of just relying on the hammock connections themselves. This used to be a quiet neighborhood. Okay, that's all the way up. And we still gotta do something, so let me go dig through all my hammock toys, and we'll see what we can use to extend my reach. Okay, for the sake of argument, I grabbed one of my tree straps for the Amazon, and that didn't work. I brought a backup kitty cat to supervise. Are you going to supervise, Raja? Yeah, thank you. Don't let me fall on you. So, it's high quality. Look at that double. Ooh. I'm excited about the double. In theory, I won't even have to bring a underquilt. I have a super nice high R value air mat I'm going to try. A yoga mat might work. Well, let's see if I can sit in it first without killing myself. I kind of guessed at the links for everything, and I like going this way. So this one should be lower, but for the sake of argument, and to try it out, there we go. Yeah, I need to work out the head and foot stuff, but this is much nicer than the Amazon for sure. As soon as I get it all the kinks worked out. And in fact, I may try that and then try the air mat. Don't go away. Okay, this is closer to optimal. You see the foot end is higher. Warbonnet recommends that the foot be about 16 inches higher than the head, and that's not quite there, but it'll do in a pinch. Strange thing is, this feels shorter than my Amazon, even though it's supposed to be a foot longer. But it's probably just those the ties on the end of the Amazon. Anyway, I've got my Bestport mat. I'm going to see if it will fit between the two layers. I'm not filling it up all the way. I'm hoping this will work perfectly. I have used it inside the hammock, the old cheapy hammock, and it worked great. We'll see how it works with this. Hold on a sec. So this, I believe, is an R6. Don't hold me to that, but I think it's an R6, which makes it awesome for camping in cold weather. And there's a big opening right here. And my goal is to slide this in there. But I know a thin foam mat is perfect. The closed cell foam. But I spent a lot of money on this thing, by golly. And it will be much warmer than a closed cell foam if I can make it work. Okay. A little bit of fine tuning there to make it fit right. It creates a little bed there, doesn't it? Pull it this way a little. Fingers crossed I don't kill myself. Ooh. It'll take me a little adjustment to get used to a real hammock. The cheapy hammocks all have the sides sewn on that come up, and this doesn't. But oh, there we go. Hello. I could get used to this. And the nice thing about the air mat being inside is you're not worrying about it sliding around, because it's a pain getting the air mattress, your cell, and your sleeping bag or overquilt all situated. Especially I roll and toss and turn, but yeah, I think I'm gonna like it. It will take a little fine tuning, and I'll probably have to use the trees to get it super finely attenuated. But I think I'm gonna like it. Super comfortable. I'm super warm actually right now, and I've got a snake skin. Who's it from? I can't remember now, but I do have a snake skin I can put over this to keep it clean and safe. And we regularly get 40-50 mile an hour winds up here, and hopefully that'll help keep this from turning into a sail if I'm not right there at the time, and it'll help roll it up easy, I think. But yeah, good stuff. Anyway, wake me up tomorrow, and we'll see you next time. Bye.